our dearest Ronnie K. Baby, Senior Manager, Systems and Architecture.
Asia VP, Project Lead Engineer.
Anas Muhammad, Manager, Technology.
Ajay Kumaran Nair, Associate Vice President, Creative Development.
14 വർഷത്തിനു മേൽ സിട്രസിലെ കൊളീഗ്സിനെ സ്വന്തം മക്കളായി കണക്കാക്കുന്ന നമ്മുടെ സ്വന്തം ജലജ ചേച്ചി.
Creative Designer, Shahir M. Kunju Mohammed.
GOV Lasser, highly organized and a loving person.
Join me in honoring Aparna M. Karnagaran, Associate Manager Technology.
Mappalapaattu singer, a skilled sportsman, he is an all-rounder. Sai Dalavi Ponod.
Abdul Razak PM, Vice President Technology.
Jayakrishnan Sudhindralal, Associate Manager Technology.
Dish Kumar KR, Manager Technology.
When it comes to presenting to prospective customers, Mary is our top choice.
Rincy Anthony, Senior Manager, Finance and Administration.
Cheerful and fun-loving, Salamika is the soul that keeps the workplace grounded and joyful.
Technical brilliance with a warm, approachable spirit, Srijit R. Chemanjeri.
Arun K. Ramanan, Manager Quality.
Anup P. Anthony, Associate Vice President Technology.
Truly the heartbeat of our team, Maya Anthony.
Let's hear it for Rafael Vilpaili, Associate Vice President of Technology.
Welcome Pitosh Paulos, the calm force with a spark.
Meghna Ranjini Tangaraj.
Every team needs a steady hand, and for us that's Varun Sridharan.
Shanil Shashigumar, the quiet dynamo who keeps the engine running smooth.
Introducing the quiet force who brings balance, brilliance and a burst of energy to every room, Ranjisha Kuttipurathu.
Alan leads by example without ever seeing a spotlight.
Hardworking hands and a joyful heart, Bindu Satish.
Binoy doesn't just solve problems, he researches them.
By being around someone you have probably met, Pratibha C. Balan.
Some leaders speak to be heard. Mahesh Prabhu leads, no other can rise.
Bill B. John is in a league of her own.
DTK Mohan solves them before they are even assigned.
We take immense pride in recognizing Anas MK,
Mentor, multitasker and always dependent. Benson, we are lucky to have.
Let's give a big round of applause to Praveen Shivaramakkurum.
Megan Joy, Project Lead Engineer, who has been demonstrating excellence and persistence.
Dhanya is a ray of positivity, effortlessly blending professionalism with warmth.
Riju Abraham, Senior Lead Web Designer Grad.
Suhail Abdul Ghafoor, MA, Associate Manager Technology with 9 fruitful years with Citrus.
Firoz P. Jabbar, Project Leader, 8+ years building Citrus.
Praveen Pavitran, Project Lead Engineer with 8.7 fruitful years with Citrus.
Alan Francis, Project Leader, 8+ years building Citrus.
Matthew N. Joy, Senior Manager Technology.
Pradeep Narayanam, Manager Technology. Vinu has 7+ fruitful years with Citrus. First C. Ismail, Lead Engineer, 7+ fruitful years in Citrus.
Jijo M. Ponnappan.
Rinshad K. Ashraf, Associate Manager Infrastructure.
Anita Krishnakuru, she is the heart of the team.
Raji is a storyteller that shines through in everything he does.
Divya S. Kumar.
Let's welcome Fatima Nasir.
Binu V. Pillai, Senior Manager Technology.
YSH K. Vasudevan, Lead Software Engineer, more than 6+ years with Citrus.
Sarin C. Maitran, Lead Software Engineer with more than 6 fruitful years with Citrus.
അഡ്മിൻ ടീമിന്റെ നെടുതൂണ് ഫ്രാൻസ് സേട്ടൻ എപ്പോൾ വിളിച്ചാലും ഫോൺ എടുക്കുന്ന ഒരാൾ 6 കൊല്ലമായി നമ്മുടെ കൂടെ സിട്രസിന്റെ കൂടെ.
Veenu Shelly, Senior Software Engineer.
Ross Junolos, Associate Manager, 5+ fruitful years in Citrus.
Divya T. Subramanian, Lead Software Engineer with more than 5 fruitful years with Citrus.
Anup P. Shashikumar, Senior Software Engineer.
Junaid P.S., Lead Software Engineer.
Priyadarshi S. Guptan, Associate Manager Technology.
Regina Kalashaparambil, Senior Software Engineer who has been with Citrus for more than 5 years.
Avinash B. Kurup, Lead Software Engineer, completing 5+ years with us.
Anugrah Babu, Senior Software Quality Engineer, completing more than 5 years with us.
Trudy Alumkal, Senior Software Engineer.
Subhash Chandra Bose KS, Senior Lead Digital Marketing Specialist, completing 5 years with Citrus.
Jibin Joy Arakel, Manager Technology.
Arya V. Narayanan.